Wow. Mhm.
You're not safe in that. And the other side of that. Okay, that's
Wow.
big scare. Really?
Mhm.
Why does it look scary on phone? Not even that scary. Oh, but then works.
Probably because it's brighter. I'm gonna mute the volume anyway.
We want to hit thunder.
Mm.
You can't rest now. They're too short. Oh, flash then. You see the bolt?
Mhm.
I was waiting for like strand or something. Oh.
Wow.